they be in. All right, guys, we got a possible sell coming up, guys. Last 3 minute possible sell. Get ready. This is going to go into market open. If it does paint for us, we're going for first target. Let me see if it's a normie. Huh? Yeah, NAS 100 possible sell on NAS 100. What up, AD? Yeah, I need a whole team of like Nigerian scammers and Indian scammers. All right. Do not redeem the code. Do not redeem the code. We got a possible normie. Here it goes, guys. Possible. I don't like it. Nope, we're not taking that one. Do not redeem. Oh yeah, AD. Welcome to my trading sessions. This is how it goes. We have fun up in here. We talk. It's not one of those sessions where I'm on here like, if you look to the left, you have the channels and the Fibonacci ratios, and you see the volume levels, and F all that. We better make this money and laugh and have a great time up in here. I need that money from the prince. Yo, hold up. And I just found out that and I actually already gave him the money because I needed to figure out. But I just found out that I actually own an airport out in Africa. So I'm just waiting for him to respond and let me know. Yeah, right now. Okay, so TikTok, you guys can't see the charts right now because TikTok likes to ban me a lot. So you guys got to listen to me. But if you guys want to see the charts, head over to Vector Games Live on YouTube. But yeah, I just found out that my cousin or something, like he's a prince out in Nigeria. So I gotta get these profits. So I sent over my bank account because I had to prove, that we're cousins. So I sent over my bank account. So we'll see what happens. That's what I said. The airport is a big deal. Yeah, and I'm excited because I cannot wait until I get my airport. And I know my family says that it's a scam, but I'm like, didn't sound like one. Like he even said, trust me. Like what scammer says, trust me? Like seriously. And he didn't have to say, trust me. He could have just said, redeem the call. Do not redeem. He could have said that, but yeah. I trust him. All right, guys, we got market open in 1 minute. We got no market open plays right now. Let's see if they give us the play. I don't know. I'm thinking about naming it. I'm thinking about naming it Charlie Kirk. I'm gonna name the airport Charlie Kirk. So yeah. Like I gotta name it after white MLK, guys. I'm pissing y'all off. I'm sorry. He's not MLK. I'm just playing. I'm just pissing y'all off, guys. Just relax, guys. Relax. I'm just playing, guys. Yo, here goes market open. Relax. I'm playing. RIP. That's my guy. Here it goes. SPX, guys. 15 seconds. SPX. First one's up. SPX. We're gonna be selling SPX in 11, 10, 9. There's a delay. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. 3, 2, sell SPX. Let's go. First target, here it goes. Stay in the trade, market open. Stay in the trade. Pull back. Best area right here for SPX. Stay in the trade. Here it goes. Almost done. Stay in the trade. 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 Here it goes. Almost done. Last push. Stay in the trade. Come on, one more push. I know you in there. Stay in the trade. Here it goes. Last push. Give me that push. Go with it. Give me that last push. Finger on the exit. Come on. Here we go. Almost done. Here it goes. Almost done. You got top positions. You guys are doing good. Almost done. Out. Pull out. Grab whatever you can, guys. I had to get you guys out of that one. Great job. How much you guys made? Not big. Made an extra $200, but not big. I had to get you guys out on that one, so I'm reading the other ones. Get out right now. Do not hold this. Do not, because SPX is going to go off of one of those other ones. Do not hold this one. Wait until the next. In the checks, Robert made a quick 60. Great job. 1 minute. Great job. See, I was waiting for that NAS. That NAS was throwing me off like crazy. And then the US 30, they were going opposites. Had to get you guys out. Now the delay is fine. That's why I got you guys in 4 seconds early. Stay ready. In the chats, how much you guys made? Quick 30, 1 minute, 30, quick 500, 50, big 3, 60 in the chats, how much you guys made? Great job, everybody. Ice, that just means you wasn't ready. But the good thing is that you're on demo, so you can practice. You got to always be ready, even when I'm cracking jokes in here. You see how it's playing? I'm trying to figure out which one it's going to follow. You got to learn that. It's based on your account size, especially for SPX. It's usually going to be the same lot size as NAS 100 or around that area. Yeah, so that's really, really low. Depends on your, but that's why you got to mess around with it. Mess around until you guys, for my people that's on demo, you got to mess it. Just wrong time. What do you mean wrong time? Put a 1 in the chat if you had an issue entering. It's only going to be ice.
Enter a cell.
Yeah.
And then to exit the cell.
No, to exit, you have to close. So you're supposed to be out. So you got to close up, but you're on demo, so hit the X. You see the X's? Yeah. Timeline, I was on. Timeline, I was on. You're not supposed to be on any timeline. Just listen.
When you close, you put that.
Ice, I don't know where you think you are. Telling me to chill. Mods, do your thing. I don't know. Where do these people think they are? Mods, do your thing. All right, got you. How about you actually get on here and listen? Instead of you trying to be out there trade, you got one job to use your finger. You got one job to use your finger. One job. You over here doing all this extra stuff. That's why you didn't make it. You had 4 seconds to get in. I got you guys in early. And then it took over 5 seconds for it to actually move with 3 seconds of a pullback. Face head ass. All right. Let us know what they made. In the chats, how much you guys made? Y'all see what it's doing right now? So I'm waiting for them to figure out and show direction. You see, bro, they be in here talking crazy, bro, like they run something, man. I'm over here doing this for free for y'all, and you got one job to click the button. You can't even do that. Yeah, Robert, it's literally Tyrone says. That's all I tell you to buy you. Look, your only job. Look. Everybody take your fingers out. We're going to practice today. Your only job is this, not to read charts. Not your only job is this. If I'm running 3 accounts here and doing it for you guys and getting in on all of them, and you can't do one, we got an issue. Everybody, so let's do some practice real quick. Forever, we're going to do some practice real quick. Everybody take your fingers up, all right? And we're going to go to the left. We're going to go up. We're going to, he said he must be American. I'm done. We're going to go to the left. We're going to go up. We're going to go to the left. We're going to go to up. Get it going, guys. Yo, Rosandra, she said I'm getting Ivy. My nurse was in here and she heard in here. Oh God. Hey, it's just a joke. I was just, hey, hey, how are you? Yeah. Do not redeem. Sorry. I'll be spazzing out like that. I'm sorry, guys. Sorry. No. Yo, in the chats, how much you guys made? How much you guys made, guys? Y'all want to hit another one? So for my new people watching right now, today's a trap day, so we're only going for first target. Well, today, they didn't go to first target right there, so I had to get them out because right now I'm reading SPX, and The other ones are doing some crazy stuff. So I had to get them out while they're in profit because I'm gonna let SPX do what they got to do. I'm gonna let them. SPX is gonna follow one of these. I'm gonna let SPX do what they got to do, and then we'll go from there. There we go. SPX is now following. All right, so SPX is gonna follow NAS finally. All right, great job in the chats. How much you guys made? Yeah, you said look at NAS. It's trap day, baby. Look at US 30. It's trap day. I'm gonna let them finish what they got to do. Proud of you, brother. Keep going. Oh man, I got you, Michael. Yeah, no, I'm about to make these people money. Hey, give it up for paying for a strong $1 in 1 minute. Hey, that's a strong $1. You understand what you can do with $1 in freaking Thailand? That's an Uber ride. That's a strong Uber ride. That's an Uber ride with a tip. Hey, we gotta let them finish what they got to do because they messing around right now. But yeah, guys, for people watching, welcome to VG. That's how we play. Some are going to be really fast. Some are going to be slow. We're going to try to hit another one in a minute. We're going to let them finish what they got to do with SPX. Yeah, like me, I like playing SPX paired with another one. So if SPX is paired with US 30, I love playing those. If it's paired with NAS, I love playing those. Right now it's playing by itself, which means it can either follow that rise that happened on US 30 or follow that drop that happened on, actually rise on NAS first. So, yeah. Coach, I follow someone you know on Facebook, and they were flipping off the charts, and we won on VG the day of the same play. Oh, you already know. Because we keep winning. I grabbed a solid 150, not trying to get back. Yeah, guys, don't give too much. I just made a quick little 200 piece. Who got that pullback on the SPX? You got a little bit? Great job. While we wait for the next one, I'll go ahead and give you guys a little extra little tipperoonies. All right, so guys, welcome to VG. So guys, I'm gonna show you guys something. This is where we make the big money. All right. Gray line is little money. First line here, big money. Little money, big money. Biggest money. Little money, big money. Biggest money. Little money, big money, biggest money. When you first enter, if this thing takes off, you make little money. If it pulls back, big money. If it pulls back even more, biggest money. And that's how we do it. Got you, Juice. Just join right now so you can actually learn it. Click the demo and practice. We don't all play them the same. So therefore, let me put it in perspective. One entry here, 3 to 4 or 5 entries, depending on how your confidence on it. And then more over here. See the difference? 1, 5, 1, 4. See the difference there? But some of you guys are going 3 down here and then 1 here. Hola, hermano. ¿Cómo va? Yeah, let them finish what they got to do, man. So let's use this time. Any questions you guys have? News in 20? All right, cool. Hope you guys are enjoying the show. Yeah, wait until you actually see the charts and everything. It's pretty fun, man. Yeah, we don't usually pull out prematurely like that. Only if it's SPX and weird stuff's going down. Then you follow me on that. How do you get the charts like mine on Monaxa? You can't. Because the charts that I have, you can't have. But the only way you can have them is through VG Solo Play. Get your VG Solo Play today. VG Solo Play. Where you can play 24/7 with VG. Click the link in the Discord and go to number 5 and 6 on start. Here. Get your VG Solo Play. Who said that? Where'd that ad come from? I don't know where that came from. If you want to trade 24/7 with VG instead of just 1 or 2 with Coach, make sure you get VG Solo Play. Where the freak is that coming from? I love how you try to protect your cap. Yeah, I got to protect y'all on that one because it was market open as well. And it's SPX by itself. Yeah, y'all could have stayed in and everything, but then you could have risked like crazy stuff. It could have shot up 1,000 just like that if it's market open. It could have followed NAS. You saw NAS shoot up, right? And you saw US 30 shoot down. I don't want to read that. So instead of just, gambling on it, reset, take what we can, reset. Yeah, and it's trap day too. VG, ain't it crazy because it's still 1 though? Like, that's pretty dope. I love this game. Welcome to VG Solo Play. All right, so guys, we're pretty much done for today. We usually take 1 trade. Whatever we win from it, it's usually we're done. But I'm gonna keep going with you guys for a minute because I got time. What's going on, God? Why are Fridays and Mondays trap days? Okay, so let me break down the breakdown of Mondays and Fridays. All right, so Monday has nothing to go off of. Volumes flushed, volumes different. They can pretty much range out, and you don't have anything to go off of. A lot of the wins that we get is based off of past data, so it's just easy to go week by week. There's only so much that they can go in a week. There's only so much that they can go in a day. A lot of you guys are going to learn these specs and everything in the privates, so I hope you guys are ready for the privates. So at the cup. So there's only so much. So therefore, Monday has nothing to go off of. So therefore, it's dangerous, right? Friday, volume for the week is pretty much a lot of times spent. And they usually trade with, and actually, let me give you guys visuals. All right, I'm going to give you guys some extra sauce today. I don't think they're ready for this. I'm about to go in real quick. So y'all can get a little taste of these private sessions. Hold on, let me put the phone up somewhere. Here we go. Let me get a little taste. All right, so you guys got to understand one thing about these markets. They do the same thing every day, 24/7. You just can't spot it. So my job is to teach you guys how to spot it on a daily basis and only play your shot. Think about Steph Curry. Steph Curry plays his shot. He doesn't go and dunk the ball like Shaq. He doesn't go in there and play like LeBron James. He plays his shot. Doesn't mean he can't do it. He can definitely dunk, but he just doesn't. So if you can get really good at your shot, you're going to do a really great job here. But the issue for the newest trader is they want everything. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to teach you guys your own shot. And understanding your shot is basically what we're doing in VG. We're only playing our shot. So let me go ahead and break down these days real quick. This is what happens psychologically for the markets. Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday are some of the best days in the market. And they do this to give us profits. They give us, you got to think about the casino. The casino, they give you some hands. And then what happens after you start winning? What happens after you start drinking a little bit? You get happy. What happens when you get happy? You start going harder and harder and harder. Instead of you pulling out exactly when you told yourself you should have pulled out, you're going for one more hand. That's your Friday. Your Friday is your one more hand into the weekend. And they know that. And what they do is, I'm going to go ahead and draw it out for you guys in a second. They take the money from you so that you got to go into the weekend. And what are you thinking over the weekend? I want to make it back. So what do you do over the days that you can't trade? You ponder about it. You're depressed about it. You hype yourself up. You put even more money because you realize if I put more money, I can get it back quicker. And then Monday, you lose that too. And then you're hurt. And then you go back in Tuesday. And then you win and you say, oh, maybe I was just tripping. I won today. Then you go back to Wednesday and you're like, I'm really winning. And then you go back to Thursday, you're like, I'm up and it's stuck and it's stuck and it's up and it's up. Now you got the confidence all the way out of 10 again. And then Friday, you lose it again. Put a 1 in the chat if that's you before VG. Tell the truth. How many of you guys went through that cycle? When you guys get into the privates, I'm going to be teaching you guys about the cycle. They do the same cycle every week. They do the same cycle every day too. Try those ones. It's just a revolving door of the exact same emotions over and over and over and over. So let me go ahead and break it down real quick. When you're trading in a day, 5 p.m., they're going to range. And why do you think they range? Why do you think they range? Well, it costs them money to make new highs and lows. So therefore, the best way to get LA's money and the best way to get Roz's money is how? Make them feel like this is winnable. Make it feel like, okay, cool. It's not a hard gamble. It's winnable. I could do this. And what they do is you start entering trades for either direction and they can see all that. But if you notice, they do not take out previous highs and lows because it's easier for them to go where they've already been. And they can make more money like that. So now they're trapping buyers and they're trapping sellers. They can see how much people is trapped, how much money's there. And then what they're going to do is they're going to open up the range a little bit further because nobody's buying or selling right now. So therefore, let's go ahead and get some more money. What's happening here? Sergio, mentally, what's happening here? The ones that are losing, that went for sales, they're panicking. The ones that are buying, what are they doing? They're rejoicing. They're excited. They're picking out the color Lambo and everything. And the market goes up even higher. Guess what happens to the people that were selling? They're trapping. They're adding more plays to try to get it back. They're in full panic mode. They can't even think rationally right now. Why did I enter in that trade? I should have never entered that trade. I just put my rent on the line. Oh my God. I'm gonna go work for McDonald's. The people who are buying, that's the most dangerous side. Especially be a newbie. The people that are buying, they're thinking about a Ferrari right now. They're not even thinking about pulling out. They just got the direction right randomly. And they're not even thinking about pulling out because now greed has sunk in. And it goes higher. These people lose all their money for sales. But let's go ahead and get those ones buying too. Because what happens when people start winning and they don't have a plan for exits? What happens? I can get a little bit more. How many of you guys have ever lost your profits because you wanted just a little bit more? How many times have that happened, guys? You look, you were at $500 and you wanted $505. I'm in your head right now, ain't I? They understand psychology. They understand. And how do they do that? By pushing fast. When you see it going fast, what do you naturally do? When you see the money coming in fast, what do you naturally do? You start panicking past your plan. I know I was only supposed to go for 200, but dang, I'm at 400 already. Oh, I can get 450. And what happens, Tendo, is they hit this high again. Now let's flip it. There are also people that have entered for buys up here because they're going for breakouts. And why are they going breakouts? Remember, pause that. We're going to come back to it. Why are they going for breakouts? Because people like breakouts. It's fast money. And also, they seen the speed of this that they were like, oh, shoot. I missed out on that many pips. All I want is 10. I can get 10 out of this. Put a 2 in the chat if I'm in your head right now. You told yourself that. Started shooting. You're like, I can get 10 out of this. I know I'm not supposed to enter right now. I can get 10 out of this. And then guess what? It gives you that 10, but you never pull out. Why didn't you pull out? Same reason why he didn't pull out. Greed. Then the market retest because you already panicked when it went back to zero. I knew I should have never gotten this trade. I knew I should have never gotten this trade. Oh my God. Oh, this is the worst thing ever. I'm the worst trader. I'm going to go back working for McDonald's. And then guess what happens to the person that bought down here? Man, I was up 500 and now I'm up 400. They're not even going to see the freaking 400. They're still mad that they lost 100. I'm in your head, ain't I? And then what's going to happen is the person here didn't exit. Drop, panic, fast drop, snatched it back. Comes back up. If I just get back to break even, I'll exit. I promise, dear Lord. If I ever get back to break even, I'll promise I'll eat my beans and I'll eat my tuna. What is this person doing? Man, I was up 400. I should have just took it. Okay, I'm gonna pull out at 400. I know I'm at 300 now. Boom. Yo, I just what was I doing? I can't believe it. Like I don't understand. I know not to enter the trade up here. Bro, I was up 500. I'm now up 200. I'm not walking away with just 200. All right, I'll get out at 300. Oh, shoot. I'm back up at 400. I can get back to 500. Boom! I should have got out of 400. Oh my God. They start ugly crying. They lose. Market created their range out for the rest of the day. This is the day, and it's also the week. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. The biggest volume is going to be pushed in Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. Monday, you have nothing to go off of. This is how I know what direction we're going to play and when we're going to win and how easy it's going to be. And that's how we do this every day. Get ready for the privates. You guys are going to see it and mark it up week by week. You guys are going to literally see this every day, 24/7. It's the same thing over and over and over. And they do it monthly too. They do it yearly too. December, January is like that, and February, and then all that good stuff. So when I walk in here very confident, it's not because I'm egotistical. It's because I'm literally trading the same stuff every day. I don't got to think about it. Cup. All right, see you Monday. Thank you. That's why. You're going to literally see the same exact stuff over and over and over and over again. You're going to see the exact same stuff over and over and over. Hold on, let me get over here real quick. Again. And you got to be able to spot it. Because they're not going to give it to you perfect. Why do you think we trade at the times we trade? Because in the day, this is the highest volume. is here. New York session. Market open for the stock exchange. That's why we trade here. This right here is the beginning of the day, Monday through 5 a.m. 5 p.m. London session, New York session. End of the day, range out. This right here is the smallest volume. And then they start opening it up. London session, New York. But today's a trap day, so guess what? They're not even giving you volume. Look at the volume. Look at the volume for today, trap day, and look at the volume yesterday. Y'all see that? Look at the volume here. Old you would have traded here. New you trades here. And then guess what? They range out at the end of the day. Same thing for the week. We already knew this week was buys. Beginning of the week, small. Tuesday, Wednesday, big pushes. Thursday, big push. Range out the end of the week. We make our money, our big money here, and big pushes. And then look how small the trap days are. And if you notice, they stay within the range of the high and low at the end of the week. Because why would I need to push up even higher? I got all the money. Good to go. See here? Look at that. Don't it look like what I just wrote? I just drew? Range. Sunday, Monday. Tuesday. Wednesday volume. Thursday volume. Stay within. Monday. Tuesday. This is the high and low. Wednesday. Thursday volume. Stay within. They're not giving you new. Stay within. And every now and then you'll get some stuff like this when you're dealing with consolidation for the whole week. But still the same thing. Consolidation. Tuesday volume. Wednesday a little bit of volume. Thursday volume. And then they gave you a lot this day, which is most likely, what day is this? Probably some big news or something like that. It's volume. You don't know if they're going to give you this. Trap days, you don't know. You don't know. So that's why we go crazy on Tuesdays and Wednesdays and Thursdays, because by percentage wise, we're going to get the volume we need. Not every Monday they're going to give you this. 1 minute news? All right, cool. Yeah, not every day they're going to give you that. So what we do is we go in with the mentality of understanding that it's a trap day. We go in the understanding. And then also this is US 30 and stuff like that. This really, when you see the currencies, like US 30, not US 30, but GBP, USD, it really shows up over there because it's really manipulated. It's really manipulated. But a lot of times they literally close back where they start. Beginning and the end of the week. Same.
So will it be classified as like a resistance? Or
No, they just make all their money and come right back to the same level.
they're just liquid?
Yep, they come back. Now the stock market is a little bit different than the currency market. I'll show the currency market after news. I want to see what happens for news. So yeah, y'all guys like that? That's why we play Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. We have a better chance at high volume. Y'all like that?
That would be more money movement through this.
And I don't bank on anything on a Friday, because Friday could just consolidate if they want to. If they shoot up, even better. We make some more money, but we're being safe because we know on average. All right, guys, what we got? SPX3. What we got? SPX3. It's a normie too. So yeah, we'll come back to this in a second. Let me show you guys the currency. Just pick one, pick a random one. Euro NZD. Where's Euro NZD? Let's do this one real quick. So yeah, the same thing happens here. Same exact thing. Boom, boom, boom. They do the same stuff over and over and over and over and over and over. In the day, also outside of the day, let's go to 30 minutes easier. So you don't use indicators? I have. I just know where everything is in my mind. I've been doing it for 13 years, man. I know where all the indicators I use in my mind. And there's nothing wrong with indicators. Don't let nobody tell you the indicators are, yeah, no. I just know where they are. All right, here we go. Boom. Look at that. Choo. Open the range. Wednesday, Thursday, open the range. The two best days are Tuesdays and Thursdays. Those are like almost guaranteed wins. And then on Friday, trap day. Remember, it's easier for them to go anywhere they want inside of the range, high and low. So they can go anywhere they want. So if they wanted to, they could have stayed up here. They could have dropped down here because they can go anywhere they've already been.
You said I had like a $5,000 account. How much would you want to buy in here? Play safe.
Well, no. There's no, like, if you have a $5,000 account, how much you're always going to aim for 1% a day.
1 to 5.
Yeah. No, not 1.5, 1. Go aim for 1. That's it. Get yours and be done.
So basically, cannot ever risk them.
Yeah. Yep. 100%. Sunridge right there. It's right there. It's right there, bro. You want to see? You want to see? Imagine catching a VG perp with sci-fi. Oh, it's game over. He's I believe you. Hey, put a 1 in the chat if you believe the 50 is right there. All right, now I'm gonna up the ante too. I'll pick another one. 50 is here. Hold on, let me do it. Boom, boom, boom. 50 is right here. Are y'all ready? What is that spot right there exactly? That's where the 50 is. You're about to see. You 50. Hold up. That's the wrong one. That's the wrong one. I think that's on. Let's see the visibility. Let me use my ones. Indicator, EMS. I haven't used it in so long. Okay, EMAs, 3 EMAs. Style input, EMA 1, EMA 2, close. Where's mine? Hold on, guys. I gotta find my EMA. Oh yeah, true. I forgot about it. I haven't used that in forever. I was close. That was close. It's right here. I was close. I was close. Yeah, right here. The 50 is this one right here, the aqua. So I was off by a little bit. I was close. Y'all gonna give it to me? Y'all gonna give it to me? No? I was close. So yeah, you still have it. Yeah. The chirping's just letting me know that we have a play. Yeah, I was close. Let me see if I can do it again. It's been forever. I haven't looked at these in forever, guys. Forever. All right, let's see. Here. Here. This one's going through, guys. This one's going through. Bam. 3 for 3. Yeah, I told you I could see it. I can see it in my head. So yeah, all the stuff. 3 for 3. So yeah, this one right here is the aqua. 50, 50, 50, 50. Told you. He said you went out. God, I've been doing it for a long time. So like when I'm telling you guys certain things, I'm just like, all right, cool. I know where this goes. I know what the odds of this is. Hey, what platform do you recommend? Hit the link in my bio and let's get it. He said Thailand's got talent. Yeah. Yo, dang, I haven't looked at it in forever. I put it on everything. I have not opened up the 50 in 2 years. But it's just like when you've been doing it for so long, it's automatic. I just know where it's at. The Aqua's a 50. It's a very common EMA that a lot of methods use and stuff like that. So it's really good. It's really good. 50 EMA. It's basically the average of the last 50 candles. So it's a really good EMA to use. It's a lagging indicator, but it's used very good. Yeah. American questions. Yeah. You guys can ask them. Just make sure you ask them with using all of the letters. I'm messing with you. I'm messing with you. I'm messing with you. But we was just trading and everything. I'm trying to see if we can get another play. We got a small win already, but I'm trying to see if we can get another play. Let's see. I think this is US 30. Trying to get another play. It is a trap day, so we're not aiming for too much. Looks like we got some buys, not buys, but sells coming here soon. What's up, cool? All right, cool. I'm just waiting for some sales. Yeah, I got a couple more minutes with you guys, and you guys can head over to BG solo play. What do I do to do? I got to hit the link. Yeah, hit the link, bro. Gotcha, man. That's the real. He's a man. His heart is big, and he loves to teach. No, I can't stand you guys. My heart is small. Bah humbug, and I just wish all of you guys would just fall off a cliff in the markets. Can't stand you guys. Like every day I wake up, I'm just like, oh, I gotta get on here and see these people on a daily basis and make the money and what's going on, guys? Yeah, no, y'all dope. Y'all pretty dope. Y'all pretty cool. Yeah, y'all pretty cool. Enjoy weekend, your brother. Appreciate. God bless. Yeah, we're gonna sit here for a minute just to see if they're gonna give us something. But great job today. Win's a win. So in the chats, how much you guys made? Run it again. How much you guys made so far? It wasn't a big day, but can you download a chart to use on your phone to follow? No, you don't need any charts. You just need to listen. I made it so you guys don't have to do any charts. All right. In the chats, how much you guys made? Wasn't a big day, but it's all good though. You guys still won. Up 5%, quick 60 in 1 minute, 7 in 1 minute. Coach, you're going to be there in December before New Year's? Yeah, I'll be here. Ended the week up 5%. Let's go. 15%. Not 50%. 15, 25. Let's go. Blue party. Come on. You already know it's a blue party. I don't care if you guys made $1. But that's called control. One of the biggest lessons I can teach you guys is not every day is going to give you what yesterday gave you. Not every day is going to give you what yesterday gave you. And you got to understand that. SPX on the menu. All right, let's hit SPX again. This is a normie, guys. Do not go as big as you went on the first one. This is a normie. Get ready. 2 minutes. Oh, and we got a possible NAS too. All right, let's get this bad boy. These are norms. Do not go as heavy as you went on the other ones. Everybody get ready. 2 minutes to go time. These are going to be good. I love it here every day. I appreciate it. Hardest lesson to learn is this game. It's pretty dope. All right, guys, watch out for this one. There's going to be a pullback, most likely. We got about a 70% chance of a nasty pullback because they could turn this into a deload. Yeah, we're going to be selling these bad boys, but we're going to be in and we're going to be out. This is a double header. You guys can play both or one. What we got? We got a third one. Where's the third one at? Is it US 30? SPX 5. Oh, we got a 5 on NAS too. All right, guys, 1 minute to go time. Get ready. So I can pay to use this setup and have chirps. No, yes, through Discord, but you can't actually get my setup. Here we go. It's 50 seconds. 50 seconds to go time. Do not risk what you made this week. This is going to be extra money. $34 seconds. We're going to be selling NAS and SPX. This is a normie, not a gold, not a perp. 23 seconds. Let me do it slow for ice because you know ice is going to be slow. I didn't have enough time to get in, even though you prepped this for 34 seconds. Oh, I don't know. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. I'm selling NAS. I'm selling NAS SPX. Let's go. First one's in. Watch for the pullback. Stay in the trade. Come on, give us that pullback. Give us a pullback. Give us a pullback. Give us a pullback. Everybody should be up. Stay in the trade. SPX, here it goes. We're almost done with SPX. Stay in for NAS. One more push on SPX. We're only going for first targets. Today's a trap day. Stay in the trade. Come on, give us a pullback. Quit playing. Here we go. Here we go, pullback. Pullback's happening. At the yellow line, you're going to hit one more sell. Stay in the trade. Top positions are in profit. Those of you guys that got pullback positions, you're in profit on those bad boys. Take out bottom positions if you did. If it goes to yellow line, you're going to enter for another sell. Come on, pull back. Pull back. I dare you to pull back. I dare you to pull back. Come on, don't just go. Don't just go. Give us the pullback so we can get some more. Come on. Give us the pullback. Give us the pullback. Come on. Nas, don't go. Just pull back. Pull back. There we go. All right, here it goes, guys. Remember, do not go heavy on first position. We want the pullback. All right, guys. This is where you can enter more for sales for SPX and NAS 100. When profit goes back, not profit goes back, when it goes back to gray line, exit your bottom positions. Your top position. You see how I'm blue right now? See how I'm up? Even though I have those positions in the beginning? It's because I entered at the top heavier than my bottom.
Enter the sell again.
Yeah, I entered sell again at the yellow line. Heavy. It outweighs my bottom positions. Your bottom positions are just in case it just goes. One position down there, and then I went heavier at the top. You should be in profit on SPX. Bottom positions on SPX out. Stay in the trade. What's up, Mama C? Do not go crazy, though. This is just a normie. They're the lowest accuracy in the game. Stay in the trade. All the best positions are up here. Going higher. Stay in the trade. Top positions. Top positions here. Oh, God. Maddie, I'm sorry, bro. You can't be that slow, bro. You really can't be that slow. This is why I say I crack jokes about Americans. We literally have 8-year-olds on this call right now, bro. So you're literally telling me you're slower than an 8-year-old. 8 and top positions. If you already got it. Some people already got it already. Top positions on SPX in profit. Top positions on NAS in profit. See this right here? The object of the game is to get the best position. Right? First entry is the weakest position. But if it pulls back, we want a better position.
So you sell again.
So I'm going to sell up here. And when this thing goes back down here, I get rid of the bottom position, so I only have my top position.
So cancel.
Yeah, you cancel the bottom. Yeah. Stay in the position, guys. This is going to be a long trade. We're on a 5-minute. We're on a 5-minute play. So it's going to be a minute. We got about 10 candles anyways. Stay in the trade. Top positions on SPX looking beautiful. Futures and Forex. Remember, guys, do not go heavy. This is a normie. So if you're going to play this, play one position here, play one position here, play one position up here. Max, maybe 4. Do not go heavy like you're doing gold. This can turn into a D-Lo. Stay in the trade, guys. No X. Stay in the trade. Best positions are here. This is going to be a minute. It's a 5-minute play, so it's not like the 1 minute.
We're running down, so basically they're all the same bottom.
Yeah. Sell here. But when it came back down here, you get rid of the bottom. You substitute it out. Then you only have this one.
Better position.
In better position. Exactly. Stay in the trade. You stay in the trade. We're going to be into the X. No X, so stay in the trade. Stay in it.
those charts.
Yeah, that's the 1 minute. That's the 3 minute. 1 minute on the left side, 3 minute. This one's supposed to be 1 minute as well. Remember, guys, do not go too heavy on this one. This is a normie. For my newest people, normies are the least accurate ones. Roger will let me know. No X popped up, so we're good. Stay in the trade. Stay in the trade. Appreciate it, Roger. And what about Nas too? Nas too. Top positions on Nas. Let me know, Roger. Top positions on Nas, guys. So that means you would enter again on Nas. So you would have 3, maybe 4 plays out there. Do not go the same that you play on golds. Golds, we play a lot. 7, 8, 9 plays, 10 plays.
Keep them all.
You keep. No. Remember, you substitute. So, no, yeah, when it goes back in profit type stuff. All right, good. Thank you. Stay in the trade. You said this candle? So, let's see. You said Nas is good. You said this candle? Yeah, go ahead and check for me. Basically, we're checking for the glitch right now. Sometimes there's a glitch where the X doesn't pop up. So then I have Roger check the back. Are we good on We're good on SPX? Okay, good. He did say that. No glitch? All right, good. Stay in the trade, guys. No X. Teaching y'all guys patience.
Those are the first 2 entries that we're supposed to cancel out.
No, it's all good. You're learning.
Yeah,
Yeah, you're learning. Don't worry about it.
it's like I can definitely tell the difference. 5.
Yeah, you want to always substitute and take out your first position if it pulls back. So let me show you. This right here is your first position. The first position is only there if it just takes off. If you get a better position, which is the pullback, right here. If it goes back in profit. Glitch on NAS candle. This is the candle. Appreciate it. So guys, it's the last candle. This is the highest it should go. If it goes any higher and it closes, we're out. We take our loss and we'll get it back. And it shouldn't even be that big anyways. So, all right. So guys, this is the highest it should go. So yeah, when it goes here, enter for first one. Notice it did not hit TP. It pulled back. By it hitting this line, you enter for another sell. By coming back to this line, you exit your first one. Now you only have the top position. Just in case if it keeps going, you make more money. If it pulls up here, you're not losing as much as you would have lost down here. Notice how that one's the biggest because you kept this one down here. It's all good. You'll get over time.
Selling is running down in profit.
Yeah, because not everyone goes just perfect. So therefore, the object of the game is to get as high as possible. So that's why we want the pullback.
So the candle's dropping.
That's what we're doing. Yeah, we're waiting for the candle drop.
I'm thinking like candle up, candle down, candle like up.
Yeah, no.
Candle down. It's
Oh, yeah. No, that's not how it works here. All right, let's see. We got 3 more minutes. Stay in the trade. Hey, put a 1 in the chat. Be honest. Be honest. Who's sweating? Be honest. Who's sweating? Who's sweating? Be honest. You can be honest. Who's sweating? How much did y'all play? All right, guys. So you see how it's coming back right here? Wow. How much did y'all play? Yeah, that means y'all played too big. See, he played 9. So of course he's sweating. He's not supposed to play nine positions. It's crazy. They don't listen. I literally said it like 3 times. This is the least accurate. Like it's crazy. They don't listen. They don't listen. Yo, great job, LA. They don't listen. It's all good. We're gonna win it anyway, so stay in the trade. He's down 30% on the least and the worst accurate one. See, they don't listen. This is why they have no money in their accounts. Like, yo. And on the trap day. Like, yo, the worst part is, look, check this out. We're only negative like 250 pips. And he's down 30%. No, on another day with more volume, if we lose a trade, we're down 500 to 700 pips. We're only down 200. He's down 30. 250. Yeah. It's all good. We're gonna win it though. We're gonna win it. But it's pretty sad. Now listen. People get desperate and they want to gamble. They want to gamble. So that's why I tell people to level. It's not a gold. It's not one of those type of things. Nope. Yo, I'm in China after 2 days of flying. Can't lie. I don't want to go back to USA. Oh, you're in China now? Hell yeah. US 30, SBX and NAS 100. He said only Prince of Puts. Stay in the trade, guys. If it dojis, we're staying in. You guys are out when I tell you guys. I mean, you can exit whenever you guys want to. Like me, I played evals. On some of these right here, evals are like to get into the funded, stuff like that. So like on a low accuracy one, they're like throwaway accounts. Yeah. Because I'd rather wait for like the best ones to go crazy.
Especially on percentage.
Yeah, that's why I gave them the percentage. I gave them, don't go too crazy. Stay in the trade, guys. But they don't listen. Most of them do, though. Actually, most of them do. If this candle stays up and solid up, then we're going to be out. But right now, stay in the freaking trade. Ride with me. Ride with me. Y'all having fun? Hey, Mr. 30%, you having fun? Don't worry, we gonna win, bro. We gonna win, man. Don't worry. I know you sweating. But please don't do that again, bro. Please don't do that again. So right now we have a 55% chance of hitting the first degree. 55. So he put 30% on the line for a 55% chance. Compared to a perp chirp, which is 93. See the big difference? It's crazy. Stay in the trade. Well, it's percentage. If I'm going to go for the higher percent ones. He said no risk, no fun. I'm dead. Stay in the trade. All right, guys, you should be up on Nas. You should be almost pushing Nas. Did you get top position? Great job. Let's see if we can get past this checkpoint. Yeah, it's going to be a minute because you didn't pull out the bottom. You got to pull out those bottoms. But it's all good. You're practicing right now. Yeah, like guys, if you're going to over leverage, at least over leverage on the best ones. Like, if you're going to over leverage, pick the best ones. They're higher accuracy. Gold's first TP is 89%, I think. Perps are like 93. And then you have normies, red and green, 55. It's a big difference. And bro went all in. He went all in on it.
He bought 9 times.
He went nine times. And the other one, he risked 30% of his account. 30% of his count on, I think, 300 pips, which is insane. 400 pips, which is insane. It's freaking, that's crazy. It's crazy. Hope you guys are learning something. Don't do that. That's why I said it like 3 times. I was like, yo, it's the lowest accuracy one. All right, guys, we got 2 minutes. If it stays up here, we're out and we take our loss. Would you recommend the Apex funded Saw 50K? Yeah, that's actually what I'm trading. I'm trading an eval because it's a low accuracy one, so I'm not going to put my hard-earned money on it. I'm not going to put my PA or my regular ones, my other account. It's lower accuracy. You got to pick and choose your battles. That's why I said it multiple times. Like you saw how we played the gold one right here? That's when I was ready to go in. The gold. Gold, norm. Gold, norm. Gold has the highest accuracy. Perp has the highest accuracy. So those are the ones that I'm going to really go in. Yeah, purple's the best. Stay in the trade. You got to ride it out. 1 minute to close. If this one stays up here, we close, we take our L. And what's it called? Roderick is what's it called as well too? Is SPX glitched? Yeah, don't over leverage, fam. Please. Lost too many accounts on that. Can't recommend it. Yeah, don't do it. It doesn't matter how many times I win. Do not over leverage. I gave them the accuracy of it. I was like, yo, this is the lowest accuracy one. All right, thanks, Roger. All right, guys, get ready. 16 seconds. If you guys have played SPX, you're going to pull out of SPX. 5, 4, 3. All right, take our L on SPX. Close. Yeah, do not hold those. Norms don't hold those ever. Again, they're the lowest accuracy. What did we learn in the chats, guys? For the rest of you guys, you know. Perk said an L. Yeah, I just took L. We got 1 win, 1 loss. It's all good. We still up. Bow. Crushed this week. SP3. Yeah, it's good. Okay. In the chats, what did we learn? It's crazy. 30%, bro. 30%. And now he probably going to quit trading now. I don't know, but he's going to quit trading. He's going to be like, oh, my God. Ah. That's how it works. You need a course that teaches us how to pay attention to follow directions. Yeah, actually, I do teach that. But they still don't listen even in the course of doing it. We should be out of NAS, yes. No, out of NAS. We're out of NAS.
The SPX.
Great job, Bryce. Yeah, you want to minimize your losses and you want to maximize your gains.
Walk out now.
Yeah, you're out, bro. See how you're not listening? You gotta listen.
I think you said SPX.
Did I say SPX?
SPX.
No, out of NAS. Did I say SPX? Oops. It's supposed to be NAS. You closed out of SPX?
I did now.
No, you're supposed to still be in SPX. But that's on me. Did I say SPX or NAS? I meant NAS. It's all good, though. Take the L's. It's fine. I said SPX? Yeah, my bad, guys. It's supposed to be NAS. But yeah. All right. It's all good. It's all good. We'll get it back. All right. All right. But yeah, what did we learn, guys? I said SPX. All right, good. Well, it's all good. They're gonna 168. How much would you risk in F? No, we trade trap days. Pretty much almost 100 of these winning days are from trap days. Great job, knock. Lost 10, gained 7. Great job. Oh my God, it's just F. You don't listen, bro. That's what you played. You played a point. You played a mini, bro. Played a mini on. He played a mini on that. Good thing it's a demo, right? Did you play demo? Good God. Actually, y'all needed this. They needed this. He played a on the lowest accuracy one. He played a mini on Nas, bro. That's crazy. No, we'll make it back, but it's just like if y'all guys can't control y'all urges, Chess lost 948 on a normie. Let me put it in perspective. I aim for maybe max $200 on them. Risk max if it's just a horrible loss. Maybe max $200. Maybe. And my accounts are bigger than theirs. And they're losing 900 on smaller accounts. They're gambling. You good, bro? I lost all my week profit on Friday before too. Oh my God. Ain't that's crazy? But it's all good. Some of you guys need this lesson. It's a freaking normie agent. That's wild, man. I said it multiple times. Yeah. Yo, agent, that's crazy, bro. I haven't had a losing day with you all week. I set my profit target. Once I hit it, I walk away. Great job, Chess. Oh, so you hit your profit target? Well, that's good. Switch the demo for those solo plays. Just practice the numbers and position. Yeah. Does the streak stay the same if it's one win, one L? Well, it's based off of the first win. If I get the first win, it's done. This is all solo play. Remember, guys, I don't usually stay on past the first win. This is all solo play. Because I wanted to teach a little bit. But yeah, they're gambling. Gambling. Yo, on the worst. It was crazy as I felt it.
You
I felt
said,
it.
yeah,
I was like, they're, watch.
Do
Because like how it is, and tell me if I'm lying, guys. It's the waiting. They're waiting. They're hungry. We finally get a play. Fingers itching. I gotta go. Is that what it is?
see it.
And then what they think of is, what if we could just win really quick? Notice I didn't touch this account. I didn't touch that. Shoot, I ain't touching those. On a play like that, no. And what did I say even before that? I said possibly can turn into a D-low. I even gave the stipulations, all that type of stuff. So watch out. There will be a pullback, but watch out. And it did. It threw a D-low. Switch the demo. Yeah, I think that's what it is. We got to fix that, guys. If you guys really want to build an account, you guys got to fix that urge. You got to. I'm going to teach y'all guys something really, really quick, and I hope you guys listen. There's 4 different arrows. Green and reds are normies. They're the lowest accuracy. Low, 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 low. We still play them because we get a lot of those and we win a lot of those. But we only go for first target because of the accuracy. Golds and perps is like the Super Bowl. Yeah, we all go through it, so. Golds and perps is like the Super Bowl. All right. That's when it really, really counts. That's when, and I noticed I even told them how much to play too. I said, hit 1 here. 1 here. They ain't listen to no one. Bro hit 9. Like yo, agent, I even said it out loud. And I don't even normally say that. I don't even normally tell them how much to play. I literally said, put a 1 in chat if you heard me say that. I said, put 1 position here. One position here. Oh God. Thank you, F. Yo. But it's all good though. We sometimes we need to go through that. All right. But great job. You guys did well though. You guys did well. I hope you learned. And yeah, we needed that. All right. Hope you guys did not wipe out your profits for the week on that. Please do like to risk what you made for the week on that. So since level was green and price is in play, we hold SPX. We wait until the star. Yeah, we got to wait until the exit. But now that it's at a star, that means we're in consolidation. That means your accuracy dropped even lower. So I would tell you guys, if you're at the star candle right here, what just happened? Oh, I thought it entered me in trades. So if this candle paints right here on the star candle and there's no exit or take profit, find a way to get out. You said 50 EMA is good. I was wondering which time frame is best on. What does that got to do with anything? In order to learn from your mistakes, you have to. Yeah, you have to. What do breakers and level mean? Head to the Discord. I have a whole session on all that. All right, guys, great job today. Today was a good reset. I hope it got you guys back together.
Screw your head on straight.
Chess made 8K this week. Oh yeah, Chess is up. Okay, so Chess he lost 900, which is not bad for him being up 8K for the week. So if he was playing a smaller account, then that would be crazy. So Chess has a bigger account. He made 8K, so losing 900, that's nothing. He's working on like accounts that I'm working on. So
that's what would happen if you played those.
Yeah, but I was like, no, lower accuracy. I'm not putting that on there. F that. So yeah, for those of you guys on solo play, they got ways to go. I thought he had like 1,000 lost. No. He made 8K this week. Great job. Happy birthday. Have a great week, and I appreciate that, man. Appreciate you guys. Any questions you guys have before I hop off? All right, guys. Go on there, practice. How do you make 8K on these sessions? I'm here Monday through Friday, 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, telling you guys when to buy or sell. Show up. Yeah, appreciate you guys. Guys, a big thing. I need you guys to really understand this. Control. That's why I tell you guys to spend time on demo so you could practice that stuff. Imagine if you would have did that on live.
Oh, yeah.
Exactly. So you need time to practice that. Hit the link in the bio. So make sure you guys think about what happened today. Put a 1 in the chat if you did wrong today. Put a 1 in the chat. Be honest. And in the chat, what are you going to do next time? Because like you'll know which ones is like great. Because I'm not going to like talk about, oh, it's low accuracy. I'm like, all right, guys, this is the one. This is the one. Oh, we going in on this one.
Oh, I've seen them.
We going in on this one. Yep.
Boom.
All right. More discipline, smaller lot size. Good job for F. Sully, you know better. God, Sully. Finance X said Normie's got me. Be honest, how did it feel? Finance X. How did it feel? Yes, guys, they're the lightest. It's a big difference. Like play Normie's like almost 10 times lower than you play the other ones. That's the difference. Play it 10 times lighter. If you're aiming for, like, prime example, if you're aiming for $1,000 a day on Normies, aim for $100, $50.
Yeah. Pay for your food for the day.
Yeah, because you're gonna get more plays. You're gonna get golds and perps later. There's an abundance of plays. Yeah, finance is all good though. We'll get it back though. Don't worry. Don't worry. Don't worry. We're gonna win on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. It's good. And then we are. And here's the worst part. We just did a whole speech on trap days. That's the worst part. Yo, did a whole speech
With the graph and the chart.
on trap days.
Oh,
Yo.
I know that now.
Ah, Sully, I see. Sully said he didn't win much this week, so he went for the home run. People do that. Yeah, for $1,000 account, yeah, you should be playing .01 only. And you should have played max .03. So 3 positions of .01. Never a .1, bro. NAS 100 plays 10 times more than US 30. Pays out as well. So it's really, really tough. Even playing $1,000 with NAS, it's really tough. But you would know that if you're in demo. Like, you would know that. That's why I tell you guys to go demo first. Juice said, I'm trying to learn. It looks crazy. No, it's really simple. You just listen to me. Tell you when to buy, when to sell, when to get in, when to get. And then over time, you're going to learn as you go as well, too. Because you're going to be playing it over and over and over and over. Let me see if this US 30 don't give us one. Bow. Possible on US 30 one day. One day. All right, so guys, I'll see you guys later. Y'all have a great time. See you guys on Monday, same time. Make sure you guys show up. Be ready to go. Remember, Monday is a trap day. Do not go in with the mentality of you need to make back what you need to make today. Don't worry. We're going to win. We're going to win. And we're going to win. You're going to make it back. If I did not make the money back for these days that some of this stuff happened, we wouldn't have went this long. Think about that. So do not go in with the mentality of I need to chase. Monday's a trap day. We're going to get our small bit and be done. Okay? Was going through my old pics, found one of us in Miami. Hey, let's get it. All right, guys. I'll see you guys soon.